What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the episode of Let's Prop In. If this is your first time here, I go by the name of SMEG. What we do on this channel is that we explore and showcase some of the most beautiful homes in and around South Africa. Today we are in the heart of Sea Point. As you can see behind me, this is home to some of the most beautiful homes in South Africa. Today we are at 10 on Q, which is a block development, looking at this beautiful 3-bedroom penthouse. Very different to what we've shown before, but so excited to share this penthouse with you guys. Massive thanks to Knox Property for giving us access to their listing. This is a short-term stay, so I'll put the booking details down in the description and the link with the property information. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's prop in. So, beginning the tour on the main doorway of this penthouse. This penthouse is 3 bedrooms. 2 bedrooms are en suite and one has its own additional bathroom, which you can use. But as you enter here, immediately, very impressive home. You have this kitchen flowing perfectly onto the dining area, which leads onto this lounge area, which then if your eye just follows the pathway or the entire room, you need your eyes immediately caught by the views, which will show you guys towards the end of this floor. But as you enter here, stunning floor finish. You have this hardwood flooring with this washed feature, and then leading you guys this side to the kitchen and touching on a few details. Firstly, you have this bar set up here with these bar stools. You can almost call it your breakfast corner. Have your breakfast, and while you are having your breakfast, contemplating these views through this beautiful frame, almost picturesque. Flooring this side, floor finish changes to this gray tiling. To my left, you have this basin, microwave. This is a short-term stay, so some of the details which we point out is going to be more suited towards that. And then you have this lovely window and glass wrapping around this corner, bringing you the natural lighting, but also giving you these incredible views of the ocean. You can almost see the earth curvature through the horizon or on the horizon of the ocean. It's incredible the views that you get from this home. Bringing you guys this side, cabinetry space plenty. You have the soft close finish, beautiful soft close finish, fully integrated SMEG overhead extractor, an oven, and 5 gas hob here. Everything that you need really in a short-term stay. And then interestingly enough, as you look above us, and it's more prevalent or overt to that side, you have the bulkhead with this LED lighting infill in between. It's incredible, and I think it's going to get even better as the sun starts setting. As I've spoken about this window opening here, you have these stacked doors that open all the way, and it gives you this picturesque view while you're doing the dishes, while you're making yourself some coffee. You have this incredible view. I think doing the dishes here wouldn't be bad.
Not at all.
Wouldn't be bad at all. Then going this side, flooring this side, and then leading here, you have the fridge here, more cabinetry space, and then this side is where you have the formal dining area with this beautiful dark wood finish, complemented perfectly by these darker brown leather chairs. And then above us, you have more of this industrial light pendant suspended from the ceiling. Very beautiful, and in this setting, it's very stunning. This side, you get the TV lounge area, but before we touch on this area, bring you guys back to this beautiful staircase. You have this glass with this frameless glass, which allows that illusion of more space in this space. But then you have this floating staircase with this open riser and then timber trim. Beautiful staircase here. Continues throughout this entire apartment. There is 3 floors, so use the staircases to take you from one floor to the other. Then we come this side, you have the lounge TV area here. Beautiful installation console here. And then in front of us, you have a gas fireplace, creating a very cozy and moody space. As we come here, if you guys look above us, you have these double volume ceilings with these large glass panels, introducing plenty of light into the space. And then these stacked door glass sliding doors open up onto this private balcony, giving you these incredible views I mean, it doesn't get much better than this. And the fact that it is sort of double volume ceiling gives you a more open view of Lion's Head. As you can see, guys, in terms of the homes that are in this area, it's some of the best homes that you can find in South Africa. And I think this is our first time in Sea Point, yeah?
Yeah, first time in Sea Point. Been to Green Point,
Yeah.
but not Sea Point.
Yeah, Green Point is a little bit that side. And then if you keep going that side and you keep going down the main road, the next suburb is
Bantry Bay, then
Bantry Bay,
Clifton,
then Clifton,
then Camps Bay.
then Camps Bay, which you guys are very familiar with. Bring you guys outside here. The use of these aluminium doors, glass doors, is absolutely incredible, as it does create that. It creates no boundary between the indoors and outdoors. In a way, it brings the outdoors inside. Coming up here, you have the soft furniture outside here, sun lounges, beautiful view. The breeze that comes through here is incredible, and even from out here, the views they speak for themselves. Lion's Head, this overall landscape is just beautiful. It doesn't seem real, if I may put it like that. So coming towards you guys, you have this outdoor dining area, and this space would get much use from ourselves because you do have a braai area here, gas braai. You have almost an outdoor breakfast bar area, and then above this, sort of risen up, you have the pool. If you are having sort of a long day, hot day, and you're looking just to come back home, relax, take a dip in the pool, you do have access to this outdoor swimming pool. This is sort of an apartment block, so there is a common space that you have access to on the rooftop, which has a larger pool. As you look at the external facade of this entire penthouse, gorgeous design here. You have this contemporary modern architecture, great use of lines and openings, sloping roofs, and just an open feel with this double volume ceilings. It's incredible. It's so contained that the use of space in this apartment was well executed, because you never feel as though you are contained in a small space, but you always see different pockets of space that are used perfectly. So finishing off this floor, we're gonna go to where the bedrooms are. This is the bottom floor where you find two bedrooms here. One of them is ensuite, and this one in front of us has its own sort of bathroom next to it. But beginning the tour, or this floor here, you have this door which you can use to enter this floor. This is effectively the 7th floor. Above us is the 8th floor, and then the top floor, that's where the main bedroom is. But you can use this door to enter this apartment. Entering this bedroom here, to my right, you're greeted by the seamless finish to this cabinetry and joinery work, where you have this press to open mechanism for the cabinetry space. To my right, you have a workstation here, and then you have this window bringing some natural lighting to the space. In front of us, you have this cozy area, 2 side tables either side of this bed, and then behind that you have this blue wall that's adjacent to these white walls. Contrast is quite beautiful. And bring you guys back this side. This bedroom here has its semi-attached, detached bathroom here, where you have this large shower head, seamless finishes throughout. Maybe just stepping in and showing you guys that this walk-in shower here. Throughout this entire bathroom, you have Hansgrohe tab mixtures and fixtures. Water's closet here, and then in front of us you have this floating vanity. Back this side to the second bedroom, but before we get in there, I love the good use of space in this entire apartment. Underneath each of these stairwells or staircases, you have some sort of functional space. Here, it's being used currently as a laundry facility, where you have a washer, dryer, and then here sort of a medicine closet type of setup. Very good use of space, I must say. And then similar finishes or similar setup was used in the main bedroom. Entering the second bedroom, this second bedroom, slightly bigger, has its own balcony. But before we get there, to my left, we have this bathroom, very gorgeous, and in terms of the design of this bathroom, very seamless, light materials and nude colors here, very natural. Here you have this window opening, giving you this beautiful view of Lion's Head and the overall sort of sea point area, and bringing you that natural lighting into this entire space. Coming back towards you guys to the main bedroom area. To my right, you have this cabinetry space, again with this press to open mechanism. And then in front of us, large mirror, beautiful artwork. And then, as I've said, in the living area, you have this LED lighting hedging the bulkhead, which is absolutely beautiful. And coming towards you guys, I think you get the sense of how calm it is here. Very tranquil. You do have two different sides of, or you do have two different points of view. Here you have this mountain range and the overall landscape here, and I think you can see in terms of the landscape, it's home to some of the most gorgeous homes in South Africa. Very incredible. Finishing up and wrapping up this floor where we saw two of the bedrooms for this penthouse. Lastly, to finish off this tour, we'll look at the top floor where we will find the main bedroom. Let's go. Arriving on this top floor of this penthouse, very unique orientation and use of space, nothing like we've seen before, because as you come to this landing, you're greeted by the bathroom, which is very unique. But just going through some of the details here, behind this door is the water closet, and then you have this large window opening, bringing you that natural lighting. It is aided by the external facades use of fenestration, also bringing you natural lighting, sort of pierces through both the windows. And then here you have this shower head, neat outlet, and then you have the floating vanity here with this seamless, beautiful porcelain finish, Hansgrohe tap fixture and mixture. Then you have this medicine closet behind here with this mirror finish. Cool detail here, you have this bath tub here. Again, you have this Hansgrohe tap mixture and fixture there, but a very incredible detail that you have here is the use of this wall, how they just push this wall out to allow a skylight to be inserted into this area here, bringing you natural lighting into this entire moment and space here. Good use of space throughout this entire apartment. And then you have this diagonal beam going to the entire length of this room. And then, as I've said before, the use of space is incredible, well concealed cabinetry space here. To the unassuming eye, you wouldn't think that there's cabinetry space here, but you do have these press mechanism, cabinetry space and joinery work. Because the wall is pushed out from the window, a vertical line, it allows this cabinetry space to have depth in it, which is, as I've said before, good use of space. It's something that we've never really seen before. But before I miss out on this cabinetry space, we also have this cabinetry space for this room. And in front of us, you do have this sort of makeup station, or you can be using it to catch up on your latest work. Throughout this entire penthouse, the bedrooms do have aircon, and then you have this very cozy bed set up, either side tables, and then behind you guys, or hedging this entire corner, you have this beautiful moment here with this glass window opening the entire length of this window, and then you have this gorgeous view of the ocean. As I've said, you have the view of the ocean, and as well you have the view of the backdrop, which is Lion's Head behind you guys. When I was speaking about the secondary or the other pool option that you have in this apartment block, is that one that we can see in front of us. That is more of the communal pool area that you have access to. So finishing off this tour, thank you so much for watching the tour. Thank you so much for the continuous support that you guys give us on this channel. Before we get out of here, massive thank you to Knox Property for giving us this opportunity to share their listing with you guys. And as I've said, this is a short-term stay, so I'll put the booking details down in the description. From us at letspropin to you guys, see you next week.